Hello everyone, welcome to Owen's Treats. It is spring. I thought I'd make something spring themed. We're going to be making easy flower pot pudding dirt cups. If you ever had like dirt cake before where they layer cake, pudding, and then they have like the gummy worms in it, we're going to do that but smaller with flowers on top. And the fun thing about this one is that the flowers are made out of like marshmallow. Well, let's get into our ingredients and let's start this video. What you will need for these flower pot pudding cups is 1 package of Jello chocolate flavor instant pudding, 2 cups of cold milk, 4 to 5 jet puffed marshmallows, 1 tablespoon of colored sugar, I'm using pink, 4 vanilla cream filled chocolate sandwich cookies or Oreos, M&Ms, I'm going to be using the pink, red, and white ones. Then we'll also need scissors, so just be careful. We have our whisk, and then our big bowl to make our pudding. With that, let's start our first step. So to begin, we're going to make our pudding. So we're going to take our chocolate instant pudding mix and our 2 cups of milk, and we're going to whisk them into a bowl. Now that our pudding is finely mixed, we're going to let this set for around 5 minutes, and you can let this set in the fridge if you want to speed up the time. And then we'll start assembling our dirt cups. We're going to start assembling our pudding cups. So we have our Oreos and our pudding here. And we're going to open up our Oreos. And we're going to start by filling our pudding cups around halfway. And we're going to tap them to make sure our pudding is set at the bottom. And then we're going to drop it in Oreo. And then we're going to fill up just a little bit more. And we're going to drop in one more Oreo. And then we're going to top it off with just a little bit more pudding. And then we're going to tap the bottom a few more times. Just to make sure everything is set. And that's our first one filled. Okay, so now that we have our pudding cups filled, we're going to move on to the decoration on top. And we're going to be making our flowers out of our marshmallows. So that'll be our next step. So we're going to take our marshmallow, we're going to take our pair of scissors, so be careful. And we're going to go widthwise, and we're going to cut off just a little bit off the end. And then we're going to take the cut side, which is very sticky, and we're going to dip it into some of our sprinkles. And then we're going to get this kind of petalish shape, and we're gonna go around our cup, and we're just gonna keep adding these, and you can cut them at an angle too to get more of a petal shape. So we have our first flower done. I'm gonna just take an M&M, and we're gonna stick in the middle, and it's gonna create the center of our flower. So we get this cute little design. And here are our finished flour dirt pudding cups. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys join me in another episode of Owen's Treats. This was a lot of fun. It was pretty easy to make too. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!